Hi there, this is Roberto from Pasta Loioco. Today I'm gonna share a recipe with you. Our gluten-free gnocchi with brown butter sage sauce. I start off heating up my saucepan. My water is already boiling, all my ingredients prepared. For 2 people, I'm gonna throw on my saucepan 2 scoops of butter. The sage leaf right on top of the butter. I like finely chopped sage on the sauce too. In the meantime, I'm gonna put my gnocchis in a boiling water. The butter already melted and started to turn brown. That's when you get that nutty flavor. By now, the gnocchis are floating in the boiling water. And I know they're done when I see that white foam while I'm scooping out, straight to the brown butter. Now I'm gonna jiggle with them and saute the gnocchi in the butter. A little sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese. And I saute them one more time. I carefully put the gnocchi in a plate. Buon appetito! You can order these gnocchis at www.pastaglutenfree.com or our location in Torrance, California. We are gluten-free certified pasta makers. Pasta Loioco. We have passion for pastas.